You know, repetition, repetition, repetition. Whenever you see something done once, if you see it done another time, you learn that much more, okay? So I'm gonna go over here. I'm gonna set this up. I'm not sure how I'm gonna set this up. I might set it up kind of over like that. I'm getting the sun right out through there. I'm gonna undo this one now, same way. It takes quite the small little process to remove the innards, the inside portion, the entire slide out tray. And on a different video series, I'll show you that. It's just, I got going, I had somebody coming to help me, and I had to get them out quick. So I had to take the trim off, and I did a couple other things to it as well, and then it was ready, the insert was ready to be pulled out. And I did that just before I started this video series. Okay, I like to put 2 screws here. There's 4 holes here, there's 4 over here, there's 3 up here. I usually do the top and bottom one here on both sides and 1 up in the middle. You know, when I get ready to install it. And I use sheetrock screws, and these happen to be galvanized 1 5/8 sheetrock screws is what I ended up using. You can use regular sheetrock screws, you know, the black ones, but if you do, just know that eventually they're probably going to rust out, right?